Hello, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you where you can get a class code on Edmodo that you can share with your students. So here, I've just created a demo class to help you to learn and where you can get or access the code, the class code that you have created on Edmodo so that you can share with your students. So once you have created the class, you can come here. There are different section here. There is a stream, there is a classes, there is messages, there is discover, there is notification. So just click here classes. After clicking that, it will give you the classes that you have created. For example, here I've just created one class and I've named it as a demo class. So just click that area which is written demo class, or your class can be English language, can be history, can be biology, can be chemistry, can be physics, whatever you can name it. So I click my class. So once you click that class, go to these three, you can click these three dots here at the top right hand corner, the three dots. Just click. After clicking that, go to settings here. Just click settings here. Click settings. Once you click settings, you'll find here, then the class code is here. So you can, as you can see here, the class code is 35IMFG. This is my class code that I've created. So you can tap here, then class code has been copied to the clipboard, so you can share to your learners using different ways. Can be using email, can you using WhatsApp, whatever. So that's how you can get a code to share with your students on Edmodo.